In today's video, we're diving into how to use AI-powered suggestions in Teamwork.com, a powerful tool designed to help teams streamline their work and stay on top of their projects. If you've been wondering how AI can make your teamwork more efficient and smarter, this video is for you. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of these features to boost your productivity. First, let's start with the basics. Teamwork.com is an all-in-one project management software, and one of its standout features is the AI-powered suggestions. This tool helps make your project management smoother by offering automatic, data-driven insights and suggestions based on your team's patterns, tasks, and ongoing projects. One of the main ways you'll use these AI-powered suggestions is in task management. When you're creating a new task or reviewing your team's tasks, Teamwork's AI analyzes historical data and usage trends to suggest the best possible assignees, due dates, or task priorities. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of task assignment and planning, which is ideal if you're managing a large team or juggling multiple projects at once. AI suggestions can also help you decide on project timelines. By reviewing past projects, Teamwork predicts how long similar tasks might take and recommends due dates based on your team's average completion time. If you're unsure about a project scope, these predictions can be incredibly helpful in setting realistic deadlines that help keep everyone on track. Now let's talk about communication. AI in Teamwork can suggest the best way to communicate with your team members, whether through internal notes, email updates, or messages. If there's a bottleneck in your project, Teamwork will point it out, suggest how to address it, and even recommend the best times for check-ins based on your team's activity patterns. The tool can also help reduce the amount of repetitive work. Let's say you have a specific project template that you use frequently. Teamwork's AI will remember those templates and suggest them when creating new tasks or projects that are similar. It's like having a personal assistant that learns and adapts to your workflow, making your job easier and saving you time. But it doesn't stop there. Teamwork's AI-powered suggestions are also useful for budgeting and resources. Based on your previous project data, it can help predict the resources you'll need, from the time to the tools and even the people. This makes resource allocation smoother and more efficient, preventing over or under allocation. And if you're managing a cross-functional team, AI suggestions will even take into account the skill sets of different members. This helps ensure that tasks are assigned to the right people who have the right expertise, improving the overall quality and speed of work. I've just scratched the surface of what Teamwork's AI-powered suggestions can do. There are even more features that help you optimize your workflows and become a more efficient team. And the best part? You can start using Teamwork.com today for free. That's right, check out the link in the description below and you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial to explore all of these features for yourself. So, if you're looking to boost your team's productivity, reduce inefficiencies, and make your project management smarter with AI, Teamwork.com is a great tool to explore. Don't forget to check the link below to grab your extended trial and get started today. Thanks for watching.